Take a ride in the 2019 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, speed control, engine block heater, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.